Have you ever felt lost, even when you seem to be doing everything right? Ever wondered why we face struggles, confusion, or stress in life, even when our intentions are pure? What if I told you, there's a book of answers, written thousands of years ago? A book that teaches not just what to think, but how to live. Yes, that book is the Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God. In this video, you'll discover what exactly the Bhagavad Gita is, why it's not just a religious text but a guide for modern life, and how studying it can bring clarity, peace, and purpose to your daily routine. Stay till the end, because today, we are not just talking about a scripture. We are starting a journey of self-discovery. Namaste. Welcome to this beautiful journey, the Bhagavad Gita series. In this series, we'll explore one of the most powerful and timeless books ever written, the Bhagavad Gita. Part 1. What is the Bhagavad Gita? The Bhagavad Gita literally means the Song of God. It's a conversation between Lord Krishna and Arjuna that took place on the battlefield of Kurukshetra over 5,000 years ago. But it's not just a story from history. It's a guidebook for life. It teaches us how to live, think, act, and find peace even in the middle of chaos. The Gita is a part of the great Indian epic, Mahabharata, written by Vyas Maharshi, and contains 18 chapters and 700 shlokas. Each chapter reveals a new dimension of human life, from duty, action, and devotion to wisdom and ultimate liberation. Part 2. Why should we study the Bhagavad Gita? The Bhagavad Gita is not about any one religion, it's about self-realization. It answers questions that every human faces. Who am I? What is my purpose? How can I find peace in a busy world? Why do we suffer even when we do good? When Arjuna was confused and filled with doubt, Krishna didn't give him weapons. He gave him wisdom. And that wisdom is the Bhagavad Gita. In today's world filled with stress, anxiety, and distractions, the Gita gives us clarity and inner strength. It reminds us that our true battle is not outside, but within ourselves, between our fears and our purpose. Part 3. What you learn in this series. In this series, we'll go through each chapter, one by one, in simple language. We'll understand the meaning of the verses and learn how to apply them in daily life. We'll explore the science of karma, action, the power of self-control, the secret of meditation, the path to happiness and peace. Every episode will bring you closer to understanding yourself and your purpose. Closing. So, let's begin this journey together. A journey from confusion to clarity, from fear to freedom, from self-doubt to self-realization. If you believe the Bhagavad Gita can guide your life too, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join me on this divine path. Let's awaken the wisdom within. Jai Shri Krishna.